Hey kids, good morning. Hope you all are safe and good. Now it's time to move on to our next session in science. In this session, we are going to start our unit 2, which is force and motion. Let us have a look at the learning objectives first. So after studying this unit, you will be able to define distance and displacement. You can differentiate distance and displacement. You can define speed, velocity and acceleration. You can differentiate speed and velocity. You can draw lines and explain the distance time and velocity time graphs. You can measure and calculate the speed of the moving objects, and you can know the day-to-day uses of center of gravity and stability. Moving to the introduction part, just see the image which is given here. It is shown that Kavita reaches her school in two ways, road A and road B. Can you tell me by which path she could reach the school early, road A or road B? Very good, road A. Also look at this picture. It shows the path of the leaf when there is no wind and the path of the leaf when there is wind. Also we can conclude which comes to the ground first. In the next one, Uma and Priya are friends. They are studying in the same school. So after school hours, they will go to the nearby playground, play games and return back. One day, Uma told that she would reach the playground after visiting her grandmother's house. The path which they took reached the playground is shown here. So this is the picture how it is going. So now can you guess which is the longest path among the two? Either school to playground or school to grandmother's house and then playground. Just imagine. Okay, so we could conclude that an object travels from one place to another. It will reach faster if it travels in a straight line. Accept it or not. ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மூவ் பண்ணும்போது வளைஞ்சு வளைஞ்சு போகிறதுக்கும் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக போகிறதுக்கும் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல. ஸோ இன் விச் வே வி கேன் ரீச் ஃபாஸ்டர்? ஒரு ரோடில் வளைஞ்சு 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 போனால் நம்ம சீக்கிரமாக போயிட முடியுமா, இல்லை ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் ரோடில் போனால் நம்மளால் சீக்கிரம் போக முடியுமா? We can reach faster only if we travel in a straight path. So the straight line path is the shortest distance between the 2 points. So what is distance now? The total length of the path taken by an object to reach one place from the other is called displacement. அதாவது ஒரு பிளேஸ்லேருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு போகிறதுக்கு நம்ம எவ்வளோ டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கோமோ, எவ்வளோ லென்த் கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கோமோ அதை தான் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Whereas coming to displacement, the shortest distance from the initial to the final position of the object, அதாவது ரொம்ப ஷார்ட்டாக எந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இருக்கோ அதை தான் நம்ம டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட்டுன்னு சொல்கிறோம். You have to note here that both distance and displacement possess the same unit. The SI unit of both distance and displacement is meter. See the example now. A person has to travel from A to B. Two paths are given here. One is a simple curved which is 7 kilometers. Another one is 10 kilometers and another one is 5 kilometers. So in the first path he is traveling 10 kilometers. In the second path he is traveling 7 kilometers. The distance between the first path is 10 kilometers. The distance between the shortest distance, which means the shortest distance between the two places is 5 kilometers. ABன்னு ஒரு லைனில் நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்ல. ஸோ தட் இஸ் 5 kilometers. ஸோ அப்போ நம்ம டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட்டாக எதை எடுத்துக்கணும்? ஆல்ரெடி ஐ ஹவ் டோல்ட் யூ தட் டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் இஸ் த ஷார்ட்டஸ்ட் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் 2 points. ஸோ அப்போ டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் என்ன இங்கே? 5 kilometers is the displacement. So see one more example. Here in this diagram, the path of the object traveling from A to B, the distance traveled is 120 meter. அதோட displacement 40 meter. Because why displacement is 40 meter? Because that is the shortest distance covered. Because that is the shortest distance covered. அதனால நம்ம அது என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், displacement அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Here one more information to share with you. Nautical mile. Nautical mile is a unit for measuring the distance in the field of aviation and sea transportation. Aviation means which is related to air transport. 1 nautical mile is 1.852 kilometers. Next one, the unit for measuring the speed of aeroplanes and ships is called knot. எப்படின்னு சொல்லணும், knot. 1 knot is the speed taken to travel 1 nautical mile in 1 hour. ஸோ ஒரு nautical mile 1 ஹவரில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணால் அதை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லணும், 1 knot.